Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with a little quickie sticky unboxing. It's been a little minute since we did this. I think I skipped last month, so I don't have anything to show for it. But I do now. I have both packs, the pop pack and the vintage pack, and I'm very excited to get in here because they've just been sitting on my desk for a few days while I wrapped up the Goblin Mode challenge. I couldn't get to them, so we're getting to them now, so I'm excited. I don't remember what the themes are, so we're just going to jump in. I'm going to start with the pop pack, I think, because the envelope on the vintage pack is giving everything I want. I really love that they've like upgraded their envelopes and we're getting such a cool variety. But this is so perfect. And look, it's got little Kraken. So yeah, that's everything I need in the history of the world. Plus, I'm probably going to be working on something in this theme coming up here, so this is perfect. Also, just like they're foiled even. Like, how cool is that? So anyways, enough about the envelopes and my obsession with them. Let's crack this open. Ooh, excited already. Ooh, okay. So this is Gilded Chiaroscuro, and if I'm remembering what chiaroscuro means, it has something to do with light and the color black and the way that like it plays off of each other. But that's exciting. And the girl from the tag matches the girl on the notebook, so that's really neat. But let me bring you guys down so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, let's see. Look how pretty she is. Got this little like gilded notepad, which is some little like really pretty post-it papers. And then this is by Peony Illustrations. Focus. There. But I love that. Oh, look how pretty this is. And she's giving like Cinderella running from the ball vibes, which is neat. And oh, I'm excited about this already. So we got a vinyl sticker. And it's like this beetle bug, and there's these like big ol' antennas coming off of it, and it's gilded. Look how neat that is. That is so cool. That's such a vibe. Those antennas are like everything. But very, very cool. I love that. This is by Noon's Illustrations. And let's get into the meat and potatoes. So right up the top, we have this very cool black and white, very stylized illustration. So a cigarette and an ashtray. That's an interesting choice. Not that I have like any opposition. I don't care what people do with their health as long as they're informed, but like just an interesting sticker to get. I don't know what I'm going to use that for. I also can't figure out what this is. They're like Gothic cheeseburgers, and there's a couple. I don't know. Maybe they're macarons. Like, maybe that's what it is, because it's all very Tea Party-esque. I'm gonna go with that. It's not a Gothic cheeseburger. It's a Gothic macaron. The little tea cake is cute. It's a very fancy little spooky teapot, and this is by Gabriella Layton, and that's her little handle there. But that's interesting. There's like a blue tone to them too. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but they're like black and white and a little bit blue, which is very neat. That's a cool effect. And then we have this one by Linu Art, or CeliaBoduck.com. There's these really beautiful witches, and they're like black and white, and they're gilded, and I live for it. I also just like really love this with the like the moth over her eyes is so beautiful. I love this witch in the middle of like casting a spell. We have a little greeny witch girl, little flower witch with her little tiny owl. That's so cute. And we have this very dramatic like what's that called? Femme fatale, like witch girl here getting ready to go out. I love that. It's like a really cool little scene too. And then we have a little book witch studying her book with a little tiny dragonfly. That's cute. These are really nice. There we go. So we got some more of those bugs by Noom's Illustrations. That's cool. I don't know what this is. Like, I think it's their, like, OC. It looks like the logo for their shop. It's really cool. So we got some more of these really fancy bugs with their really fancy antennae. Or very fancy legs. It's kind of neat. Kind of neat. Although this might still be antennae. I don't know what's happening here. It looks like legs. Got little grabby bits. But I really like this. I really like how stylized they are. I like the little extra patterns, like this really beautiful, like, leafy detail. It's really cool. These are some cool bugs. I gotta think of something cool to put these in. I love that. I love that the back looks like eyes. That's neat. And then we have some of these, like, white cutout ones, and I already love this so much. This is by Valil Art. There. If I could figure out where the camera is. And it's these little, like, octopuses and squids in jars. It's a little ink jar. There's a lightning bulb. Blah, blah, blah. Words are really hard. There's a light bulb. This one, a little bag with a little paper boat. Look at that tentacle. That's so cool. And the bubbles are black, which is neat because it matches the water effect here. We have a spray bottle. That's cool. And then, like, a tin of sardines. I love that. This is neat. This is going in the personal collection because I love these so much. And, like, they're cephalopods. How could I not? And then we have the full sheet from Peony Illustrations, so we get to use that girl again, which is great. And this is giving very fairy tale vibes. Like, you have, like, this little prince dressed up in his armor, catching a fallen star. It's giving Stardust, is what it's giving. Ooh, why? Maybe it's because it's gilded and shiny, but also black and white. I'm just gonna stop moving my fingers around. I like this little cat butler. I like there she is sleeping. There's, like, a magic mirror. Those are so cool. These are really cool little details. You even got, like, a little magical cup of tea. But I love that. That's really pretty. And then this one is from Stickii Club. And it looks like, I mean, they're really cool. They're really, really cool embellishments. But they have, like, a gold edge. So they're gilded around the edge, which is neat. I have not seen them do that before. Like, just the edge. And then there are these, like, abstract black and white, almost photographic little bits. Because, like, you know, you got, like, a little window here. Some smoke. Some cord. But this is, like, a whole vibe. It's very atmospheric. It's very pretty. These are really nice. They'd make some really nice embellishments. Especially something a little, like, artsy-fartsy would be really cool. And then, let's see. We have some vellum, like, washi type. More vellum. I think they're vellum stickers. And they are also by Stickii Club. And they are these, like, constellation-y, like, astrological type, astrology type, you know, animals with little star patterns. And they're really cool. They're really neat. I like the faded, sort of muted, smudgy look to them. Because, like, if you look, like, the features are not super distinct. But they're there, they're just not super, super distinct. And I kind of like that. It adds to the more mystical, like, spirity vibe of these animals. That raven looks so cool. I love that there are so many types. Like, you have a little frog, a moth, a little hummingbird. Managed to fit a lot in here. Even a little spider. That's really nice. The turtle's cool. And then the last piece, our little prize winner, is, it says, keep it as a bookmark or peel the adhesive and use it as a sticker. And this is by Linu Art. So it's a giant sticker that can also double as a bookmark. And look at that, guys. Look how pretty that is. And it's got, like, a little border here for where the sticker is, like, starts. But you can't really feel it. You have to, like, dig in there to get it. But look at how neat this is. That's so cool. This might also go into the personal collection because that's just too neat. That is just so neat. I love that. It's very witchy. Very gothic-y. So that was like a really, really great set for the pop pack. Which now makes me concerned that the vintage pack might not be on the same level as this one, but I love it. I love it so much, and we're going to find out what's in the vintage pack as well. I'm sure it's going to be good. Like, I'm not concerned about it being bad. I'm just now maybe thinking I should have gone with that one first because this one was so cool. But we'll see. Oh, and I don't think I said it, but I don't really have to say it because I don't work for them. But Stickii Club is a monthly subscription thing. I'll link them down below so you can check them out if you want to. But it's just a sticker club thingamabob. Let's see, where are we? Ooh, so we got the Mermaids of Crystal Cove, which is fantastic because that's super timely to what I have going on. And it does match the envelope, so that's a really neat... I can't get the sticker, hold on, I'm struggling. That's a really neat little just extra touch, just to have a corresponding envelope with the sticker pack. And it's mermaids. Come out, though. There we go. So another little notepad. This one is also from Stickii Club. And it's this really great, like, vintage, illustrative, like, almost wood-cutting style with the way that the waves and stuff are in there. But I like this a lot. It's really pretty. That would make really great, like, fronts for envelopes and stuff. Because you could just put the little address in there. That would be really neat. And then we got another vinyl sticker, also from Stickii Club. And it's this really great one. This is like an Arthur Rackham illustration. Of these, like, water nymphs, water spirits, carrying this girl through. Hello, thread. Oh, I think it's raining and I have a project drawing outside, so hold on a second. Alright, got a full-on thunderstorm just kicking in all of a sudden. But thankfully, I caught my project before it got soaked. So, silver linings. Also, I love the thunder. I'm not mad about this weather at all. How did this go in here? Okay. Let's see what mermaid stuff we got. So right off the top, we have it does not feel like vellum, but they are transparent like a vellum sticker. These really beautiful mermaids you can't see. Now you can see. Look at how beautiful they are. This is also very illustrative. I like this style a lot. It's really pretty. I also just like the diversity in mermaids. This is by Lainey Levendula. Hopefully I said that correct. They're like semi-transparent, which means that you just have to be mindful of where you put them down because stuff will show through the back. But I really like that. I really like her. She's really pretty. Oh, it's a little jellyfish. That's cute. Oh, and then the one in my hand. This is from Julia Veretto at portfoliobox.net. And it's this really great, like, almost like a field guide, like field notes type, sort of explorer collection of stuff. Mermaid tears, a little beach in a bottle. That's really neat. I really like that. I like the little captain's key, the little wheel. Super cool. Also, lightly gilded, which is very nice. This one is from Stickii Club. Wow, okay. They're getting some, like, on-site artists or something because this is really cool. And also not what I usually expect from them. They usually use stuff that's, like, in the public domain from... That's usually the Stickii Club stuff. Or stuff that they design themselves. But this must be one of their artists that's, like, on staff. Because how cool is that? I love them. They're, like, very fishy little mermaids. Little sea queens. Look at that one. This one's neat. I really like this motif. I like the little triple moon. It's very witchy. Dolphin's cool, even though they're not. That's really pretty. I think also the gold on this is a very nice touch. Really brings those mermaids, like, to the forefront. And now, this is also a semi-transparent. It's not a vellum page. Also by Stickii Club, but it's a bunch of these like crystal and mineral like specimen types. A little pearl in a shell. Some really beautiful crystals. So that would be the Crystal Cove part of this, I assume, is that we got some really nice crystals. These are really pretty. Definitely gotta thunk them. I can't talk now because it's raining. Definitely have to think of some nice stuff to like put these in. And then we have this sheet by Lavera Grace of these really playful mermaids. Hopefully that's focusing. Oh, she's pretty. I like that. That's really beautiful. Look at him. Look, he's so cool. I love him the best. Slightly biased, but this is a really nice sheet too. We're getting some really pretty mermaids. And then we have a little see-through sheet here. A little transparent sheet. Look at that. Best bottle already. This is by Stickii Club as well. And it's just different like fish and stuff and like oceany bottles. You know, that fish bottle's cool. This is like a jellyfish type bottle. That's neat. And this like frog and lily pad bottle. That's really cool. I like the little seahorses. Those are cute. What's going on with these fish? Like, can you see these fish? Their eyes are on top of their heads on one, but on this one, I don't know what's happening down there on the bottom. I don't know what that guy's got going on. These are some funny looking fish though. It's really cute. And then this one is by the Creeping Moon. I'm just gonna pop this back here so you can see the details. And we got another like a captain's quarters type of sticker sheet, which I also really like. So very nautical, but very like ship's captain, not like navy, like old school navy. You know what I mean? Like the red, white, and blue nautical is what I was thinking. I like the lighthouse painting. That's really pretty, but I really like this like portrait of the sea with the candle in the window, calling like your sailor home and stuff. That's really neat. Like that little teapot. If this had been like a white whale, that would have been so cool. But this is a really nice set. And then the last thing we got, our little specially special, is it looks like some Muha, like some Alphonse Mucha, not Mucha, Muha, girls turned into mermaids, which is really nice. Love this. And then on the other side, we have her. Also very pretty. I like that they went with more like fishy, like fish tails and not just like the like super elongated mermaid tail you normally see. They went with like realistic-y fish, which is neat. I think it blends with the style really well. That works out really nice. So that's a really pretty bookmark. But I was right. I should have opened the other one last. Because I like that one so much better. But I do really like this set. And it is very timely, so therefore, ergo, I'm very excited to have it. Let me know what you guys think of the stickers this month down below. If any of them spark any ideas in you, I'd be particularly interested in that. But that's going to be it for me for this one, guys. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting. I appreciate your faces. Bye!